Hello and good day everyone. So today I want to talk about introduction of Warung Wangi. After completing our studies at University Kelantan, Aina, Ika, Umay, Nabira, Shima and Isabel decided to start small food business together. Why food? Because during our university life, we really missed the taste of home, the traditional dishes our families used to cook. Nowadays, most young people prefer fast food or Western meals. But at the same time, many still crave the authentic taste of traditional Malay food. Unfortunately, these dishes are hard to find, especially in cities. So, we took the challenge to bring that kampung taste back in a way that's easy, affordable, and memorable. That's how Warung Wangi was born. We started small cooking from home with a simple menu. Within a few weeks, we got great feedback, especially from friends and local students. As things improved, we rented a small stall in Pegalan Cepa, close to UMK campus kota. Our menu includes nasi kerabu, nasi lemak, nasi dagang. So soon Warung Wangi became known as a friendly and affordable place to enjoy delicious kampung food. After 3 years, our business was doing well, but our financial management was we did have proper records, and that made it hard to track our full profit or stock. Sometimes we even got confused the cash flow. So we decide to apply the accounting knowledge to learn in class. This assignment is a really simulation for us to practice managing a business professionally. In this report, we include actual transaction over 2 months, and we use accounting software to prepare the financial statement. We hope that by learning and applying proper accounting, Warung Wangi can continue to grow and become a strong base for our future and entrepreneur. Warung Wangi is a food business founded in June 2023 by 6 UMK graduates like Aina, Ika, Umay, Nabira, Shima, and Isabel. The name was chosen because it reflects our identity. Warung symbolizes a simple, friend village style, while Wangi refers to the friend aroma of kampung style cooking that reminds us of home. Our logo features a traditional wooden wood with symbols of a spoon, fork, and food cover, and the tagline, the fragrance of tradition, to reflect our mission of serving food that brings back memories. Our concept is to highlight traditional Malay food like nasi kerabu, nasi dagang bento, kuih muih, and nasi lemak, while also offering other dishes like Korean fried chicken to attract younger customers. We also accept small catering order for events like student gathering or birthday. Warung Wangi is located in Pegalan Cepa, close to UMK campus kota. We choose this area because it has a high population of students and locals, and there are not many stalls that serve authentic kampung dishes nearby. We started this business from home, and after getting great support, we moved into small rented stall. We promote our menu through Instagram, WhatsApp, and word of mouth, which work well in the local community.
Before I proceed, let me introduce our team members. First, Aina is our Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Umairah is the Financial Manager. Zulaika take the role of Marketing Manager. Navira is Sales Manager. Isabel is the Human Resource Manager. And lastly, Shima is our Customer Service Executive. My name is Sitiza Kasilha binti Zulkifli, and my matric number 82483214, and today I would like to present about the role and responsibilities in our business organizations. To ensure efficient and professional management of our growing business, we have established a structured organization chart. Here are the key positions in our organization. First, we have Chief Executive Officer, CEO. The CEO is the overall decision maker and responsible for the business strategy. They are accountable for the directions of the company and serve supervise all departments to ensure smooth operations. Next, financial manager. The financial managers handle all financial transactions. They prepare budget, cash flow statement, and financial report. They also manage the company collections and spending. Moving on, the third role is marketing manager. The marketing manager creates marketing strategy and product promotions. They track markets and market trends and customer feedback. They are also in charge of managing social media and advertising campaign. Following that, we have sales manager. The sales manager makes direct sales to client. They track sales performance and prepare sales invoice and receipt. Human resource management HR. The HR manager manage recruitment, trainees and staff development. They supervise employees' attendance, discipline and performance record. They also act a liaison between management and staff. Last but not least, customer service executive. The customer service executive respond to customer inquiries and complaints. They provide great customer service and support sales and marketing activity by maintaining customer relationship.
Enjoy a special selection of dishes that blend traditional with modern flavor. Perfect for personal indulgence or as a meaningful gift. From the naturally blue nasi kerabu with its blood budu sambal to a sweet, convenient, traditional kuih muih, mini box is items showcase the unique heritage of Malaysia. The nasi dagang bento offer comforting traditional taste in a modern possible format, with the beloved nasi lemak combine the fabric rightness of coconut rice with spicy sambal and classic size. For international tourists, the Korean fried chicken deliver crispy bite coated in a sweet and spicy sauce. These are more than just delicious. They carry story of culture and traditional making. Them idea for daily enjoyment, special or as a thoughtful gift full of meaning.
Hi, my name is Nur Hashima binti Eros with the metric number 8283156. Now, I will explain the transaction part. Here is the part that we have fulfilled the requirement of the assignment business accounting. First thing first, the expenses. We have done 10 transaction, cash transaction, which is advertisement, salary, marketing expenses, maintenance, rent, transportation, packaging, water, electricity, and also interest. Other than that, we have also done 5 accurate transaction, which is accurate salary, accurate expenses, accurate maintenance, accurate transportation, and also accurate marketing expenses. Furthermore, there are also 10 cash transactions for purchase of food that we have done in our assignment, which is fresh chicken, rice and glutinous rice, coconut milk, vegetable and herbs, plastic containers and labels, fruits and herbs, Korean sauce and cooking oil, cooking ingredients, flavors and carbonated drinks, and also tools. For the credit transaction, we have also done 5 transactions, which is ingredients, food container, kitchen items, cleaning tools, and also cutlery. Next, we are also have fulfilled the other requirement in this assignment, which is 20 cash sales transaction and also 10 credit sales transaction. Next, there are also 2 transactions for purchase return, which is from Tahasan Store and also Mr. DIY Trading. The other requirement that has been asked in this assignment, which is 2 transactions for goods return, and we have done 2 transactions from Isma Enterprise and also Abdul Rahman.
Last but not least, there are another requirement that has been asked in this assignment, which is 2 transactions of loan, 3 fixed asset, which is equipment, furniture and fixture, and also vehicle. We are also have done the 3 depreciation for these 3 fixed asset, and the doubtful debt, and also bond payable as the non-current liabilities.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Nurul Maira binti Ahmad Saini. My matrix number is A24A3112. I would like to present the financial performance of Warung Wangi during the 2-month period of operation, which is from 1 June to 31 August 2023. During this period, the business recorded a total sales of 11,273 ringgit, which is includes credit and cash sales. However, despite consistent transaction, this income is still not enough to cover the overall operating costs. The largest expenses are on the purchase of raw materials such as chicken, rice, coconut milk, vegetables, packaging materials, as well as the purchase of kitchen equipment. The total amount of expense for raw materials and equipment alone exceeds Rm35,000, and if added to the initial stock of 20,000, it makes the initial investment reach more than 55,000 ringgit, a figure that is much higher than sales. In addition, there are also other operating costs such as site rental, water and electricity bills, employee salaries, maintenance costs, loan interest, and others. More worry is Warung Wangi total external debt has now reached 80,000 ringgit, including bank loans and bonds, with high interest rates and repayments that are straining in the business cash flow. In conclusion, Warung Wangi is facing major challenges in terms of financial management, uncontrolled operating costs, and lack of effective marketing strategies. Therefore, immediate action needs to be taken, including reviewing the cost structure, managing stock more efficiently, and improving marketing strategies to increase revenue and reduce losses. Thank you very much.
The improvement suggestions of Warung Wangi are as below. Firstly is to reduce unnecessary expenses. There are excessive purchases such as purchase like tools of 15,000 ringgit, kitchen items of 5,000 ringgit, and cleaning equipment of 2,500 ringgit, which is considered too high for a small business like Warung Wangi. Large expenditures on these essential items can cause waste if not used optimally or if there is unnecessary excess stock. Therefore, it is a recommendation to regularly review inventory and control purchases to ensure every expense brings value to operations. Now, this also avoids risk of wastage due to excess or underutilized stock. Secondly is to increase sales. Now, Warung Wangi's gross sales total was only around 11,273 ringgit, which is the result of a combination of sales, 8,330 ringgit, and cash sales, 2,943 ringgit, which is deducted with sales return, 500 ringgit. This amount is considered too low for a food business that has various purchases and operating costs. Therefore, it is recommended to launch periodic promotions that help customers engage to a high gross income, to introduce creative new menus and combo packages that attracts customers, and to target peak hours and festive seasons to boost sales and brand visibility. The third improvement suggestion is to improve weak digital marketing. Warung Wangi's advertising and marketing expenses are very low. Only RM50 for advertising and RM60 for marketing is not enough to make a big impact on Warung Wangi. Therefore, it is recommended that business leverage social media such as TikTok and Instagram by using customer reviews and behind-the-scene videos as promotional materials. This can also engage in getting an offer of buy one get one free weekend deals, vouchers, or offers to attract and retain customers. The fourth idea is to reduce dependence on loans. A bank loan of 65,000 and a bond payable of 15,000 indicate a relatively large amount of debt for a small-scale company like Warung Wangi. This debt burden can put pressure on cash flow if not managed properly. Therefore, it is recommended that management plan a regular payment schedule according to the business ability and avoid any additional loans to avoid falling into deeper debt. The fifth implementation is improving stock and supplier systems. There are too many categories of raw material purchases in Warung Wangi, such as purchases of fresh chicken, coconut milk, vegetables, herbs, sauces, beverages and many more, which can make it difficult to control costs overall. This situation not only increases the risk of wastage, but also complicates the inventory monitoring and accounting process. Therefore, it is recommended that Warung Wangi use a more organized inventory management system to reduce, track and control the inflow and outflow of stock more efficiently. In addition, reducing the number of suppliers from suppliers who offer more competitive prices can also help reduce raw material costs and increase business profit margins. This implementation can bring an organized inventory system into Warung Wangi's company. In conclusion, Warung Wangi has shown a promising start with stable sales, positive customer feedback and healthy cash flow, reflecting efficient financial management. This provides a strong foundation for future growth in the local food market. However, to sustain progress, improvements are needed in debt management, digital marketing and product offerings. Strategies like creative promotions and varied packaging can boost sales and strengthen the brand. With continued focus on quality, customer satisfaction and smart operations, Warung Wangi has strong potential to grow into a sustainable and competitive food business beyond the local level.